Here's another cool way to change the color of the line work. Here we're going to go to this black and white cookie, which is called an adjustment layer, and you're going to click on that, and then you're going to press HueSaturation, and then you get this box. So a few things you need to do here. You're going to press Colorize, first of all, so that this layer is going to colorize what's below. And then for the lightness, you're going to bring this down. If this is all the way up, you can see how that affects the layer underneath it. So let's bring it down so that the black is now getting lightened and it's turning more towards the color. So you can change the saturation here if it's super red or more bright desaturated. And then hue means color, so we're going to change the hue like this, and then you can get all different kinds of colors. This isn't really the best way to do this. If you want to use swatches, if you have preset colors and you want to plug them into this line work, I don't know how you would find the right exact swatch and plug it in with this hue saturation here, but just for knowledge, it's a fun way to mess around with changing the color, because you get to kind of figure out, ooh, I like this olive. And then, you know, is it lighter or darker? Okay, yeah, I like that. And then you can close it. What happens if you have a color layer underneath that? So let's bring in another layer, and I'm going to put it underneath so that I'm coloring with purple. Let's get the brush tool, and I want to color the wing purple. So what's happening here, why isn't it purple? I don't understand. So this layer is affecting everything, right? So that means that because this color layer is under it, then it's being affected. If it's not, then it's not. But, you know, we need it to be underneath in order to color it. So you're going to attach your layer, adjustment layer, to the line work layer. And we're going to do that with Option on a Mac, so maybe Alt on PC, and we're going to make this HueSaturation only affect your line work. And now you can put whatever color you want in the background. Say we want to fill this white, instead we want a colored. So shortcut key for fill with foreground on Mac, Option Delete, it just plugs that in there. We can say, okay, opacity, let's bring it down a little bit, and that looks weird, so let's put a white one underneath. So say I really like this olive now, that I found it through this beautiful HueSaturation adjustment layer, and I want to put it into my swatches. So I'm just going to take the eyedropper tool. Let's get that color. And I'm going to add that to my swatches, and now it's in there. So that's how you would use your adjustment, black and white cookie, adjustment layers, HueSaturation to affect just your line work layer and to colorize it.